All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Welcome to the cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. This is the $200 unlimited cash plan. $200 unlimited cash plan, people. Okay, you can profit $2,000 a day, every day for the rest of your life. The potential of earning that, it is simple and easy. Just imagine 100% cash coming directly to your mailbox from one person joining from your flyer. $200 and 5 books of stamps when one person joined from your flyer. That is amazing. Okay, you get 100 free hot mailing leads, people that are ready, willing to pay to get started in a home-based business. You get a residual income with this flyer. Okay, and not only that, but look at here. 1, 2, 3 boxes, people. Your name, address, phone number, or email address goes into box number 1. All right? When you get started, and all you're doing is sending $200 cash and 5 books of stamps to Champion Discount. All right? Now, when your name here and you send this out, that person is going to send you $200 and 5 books of stamps and gonna send Champion Discount $200 and 5 books of stamps. But here's the great thing. When you move to box number 2 and anything after that, you get a residual income of $200 and 5 books and stamps over and over again. It's what I call first movers advantage, because you're the first person over again. And then guess what? When that person sent out that you got started in the business sent out, now you're going to move to number 3. They're going to move to number 2. And guess what? That means you get another residual income over and over again, giving you the potential to make over $5,000 or more because of other people's efforts other than your own. A one-time payment of $200, people, would put you in position to get an unlimited amount of $200 and 5 books of stamps in your mailbox. That is as simple as that. If you can put a stamp on an envelope, all right, and put the leads that we give to you on an envelope, you can make $200 and 5 books of stamps. It is so simple and so easy, and that's all to it. Look here, 5 people joining you, okay, paying out $200. That's $1,000, people. What if it was 10 people joining you at $200 each? That's $2,000 in the 15 people sending you $200. That's $3,000. Whether you do it that day, that week, or that month. And look at this, 20 people. 20 people. Let's say you sent out 500 flyers and 20 people joined from that. They're sending you $200 plus the 5 books of stamps. Each person sending you, that's $4,000. And people, you have enough stamps where you can continue to sending this wonderful flyer out, because now you got free stamps. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a bonus of 100 flyers. Start you off with 100 flyers with your name on each of them. Okay, and each time someone join you, the unlimited 200, that's what you're gonna get, $200 and 5 books of stamps. This is so simple, so easy. Give me a call, 346 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Look, I know you're excited about getting started, but when you call, please speak clearly, speak slowly, leave your name, your phone number, and the purpose of your call and the best time to call you. Okay? If you want to see this flyer, you want to see this unlimited cash plan, go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. We have over 30 flyers and money-making postcard that could put mailbox cash money in your pocket. Okay, it's time for you to start participating in your own rescue. It is so simple, so easy to do. Look, also what we're going to send to you, you're going to get 100 leads. Okay, you're going to get $1,000 in grocery coupon certificate of your choice. You can't lose with the coupons that you choose. It is so simple, people. Just mail this beautiful flyer, the unlimited cash plan flyer, to make mailbox cash money today. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. Get this flyer right now. Okay? Get it right now. Don't wait. Respond right now. So in 7 to 10 business days, you can be receiving some money. And here's the thing. Once we receive payment, this is going to be emailed to you. The master of this wonderful flyer is going to be emailed to you. And all you got to do is send it to any of the companies that we have listed in our marketing kit that could print this out for you and send them to you. And all you got to do is get your envelopes. www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Go look at the $200 unlimited cash plan and any of the other 30 money-making postcards and flyers that we have. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are.